Have you ever tried to use a Bet365 promo code and felt like everything was working against you? The code just refuses to apply, the bonus doesn't show up, or you keep getting that annoying message saying it's invalid or expired. It's frustrating, especially when you see other people online talking about bonuses they've claimed easily, and you're wondering what you're doing wrong. The truth is, Bet365 promo codes don't just fail randomly. There are always specific reasons behind it, and once you understand those reasons, you can avoid most of the problems entirely and know exactly how to fix them when they happen. So let's break it down in a real simple way. First, one of the biggest reasons Bet365 promo codes don't work is simply that the code is expired. Promo codes are not permanent. They usually come with a time limit, sometimes very short depending on the promotion. A code that worked last week might already be dead today. Betting platforms like Bet365 rotate offers frequently, so they replace old codes with new ones constantly. If you're trying to use a code you found from an old video, a blog post, or even a screenshot from social media, there's a high chance it's already expired. And the platform won't always clearly tell you that. It might just say invalid code, which can be misleading. Another major issue is region restrictions. Bet365 doesn't offer the exact same promotions in every country. A promo code that works in one region might not work in another, even if the platform itself is available where you live. This is because betting regulations vary heavily from country to country, and companies adjust their bonuses accordingly. So if you're entering a code you saw from someone in the UK while you're in Nigeria or another country, there's a strong chance it simply wasn't meant for your account region in the first place. That's one of the most overlooked reasons people keep running into problems. Then there's account eligibility. This is a big one. Many Bet365 promo codes are not for everyone. Some are strictly for new users only, meaning if you already created an account in the past, even if you never deposited or used it, you might still be blocked from using the offer. Others are for returning players, or for specific deposit amounts. So if you try to apply a new user bonus code on an existing account, it won't work no matter how many times you try. The system already knows your account history, so it will reject the code automatically. Another issue comes down to how the code is entered. It might sound simple, but even a small mistake can break everything. Promo codes are usually case sensitive, meaning uppercase and lowercase letters matter. A missing character, an extra space at the end, or even confusing a zero with the letter O can make the code fail. A lot of users copy codes from websites or videos, but sometimes when copying, an invisible space gets added at the beginning or end. That alone is enough to make the system reject it instantly. There's also the problem of not meeting the requirements attached to the bonus. This is where a lot of confusion happens. For example, a promo code might require you to deposit a minimum amount before it activates. So if the condition is deposit at least $10 and you only deposit $5, the code will not trigger the bonus. Some offers also require you to place a qualifying bet first before the reward is released. If you skip that step or don't follow the exact instructions, the code will appear useless, even though it technically worked. It just hasn't been activated properly. Sometimes the issue isn't even the code itself, but the payment method you're using. Certain promotions only work with specific deposit methods like debit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets. If you try to use an unsupported payment option, the bonus may not attach to your deposit, so even if everything else is correct, the promo still fails to show up because the transaction method didn't qualify. Another hidden reason is multiple accounts. Bet365 is very strict about this. If the system detects more than one account linked to the same person, device, or payment details, it can automatically block promotional offers. Even if you're not trying to cheat, like maybe you forgot an old account existed, it can still affect your eligibility. And once that happens, promo codes will often stop working entirely on your profile. Now let's talk about something most people don't realize. Sometimes the promo code is actually working, but the bonus is delayed. Betting platforms don't always apply rewards instantly. Some bonuses are processed after verification, after your deposit clears, or after you meet wagering conditions. So users assume the code failed, but in reality, it's just pending in the background. This delay can make people think something is broken when it's actually just part of the system process. Another common issue is using unofficial or fake promo code sources. There are many websites and videos that post random Bet365 codes just to get views or clicks, but those codes were never real in the first place. Bet365 does not publicly release unlimited universal promo codes. Most of their real promotions are targeted, account-specific, or tied to official campaigns. So if you're using a code from a suspicious site, chances are it was never valid to begin with. Now the important part is how to actually fix these problems instead of just guessing. The first step is always to double check the code carefully. Don't rush it. Type it manually if needed and make sure every character matches exactly. Avoid copying from sources that might add hidden spaces. Next, confirm the offer details before trying again. Look at whether it's for new users, returning users, or specific deposits. If you don't meet the conditions, no amount of retrying will make it work. You need to match the requirement first. You should also check your account status. If you already used a similar promotion before, the system might block you from using another one in the same category. In that case, switching offers or waiting for a new campaign is the only option. If you suspect it's a region issue, there's not much you can do except look for promotions that are officially available in your location. Trying random international codes will almost always lead to failure. And if everything seems correct but it still doesn't work, the best move is to contact support. Bet365 customer support can actually check your account and tell you exactly why the code failed. This is something many users avoid, but it's often the fastest way to get a real answer instead of guessing. Another smart approach is to always check the timing of promotions. Some codes only work during specific events like football seasons, tournaments, or special betting campaigns. If you try them outside that period, they simply won't activate. At the end of the day, Bet365 promo codes aren't broken. They just come with rules, conditions, and limitations that aren't always obvious at first glance. Once you understand how they work, you'll notice that most errors are actually just mismatches between the code and your situation. So instead of repeatedly trying the same code and getting frustrated, the better approach is to slow down, verify the details, and make sure everything lines up. Your region, your account type, your deposit method, and the requirements of the offer. When all of those match, the codes usually work exactly as intended. And that's really the key takeaway here. It's not about finding a magic working code every time. It's about understanding the system behind it so you don't waste time chasing something that was never meant to work in your specific case.